A case in Uganda has left many people in shock after 4 children were killed. Hi, I'm Jackie. The case of Christopher Okello has drawn widespread attention across Uganda and the world at large. Christopher Okello Onyum was not someone completely unknown or suspicious at first. In fact, days before the incident, he reportedly visited a nursery school, presenting himself as a parent. He told staff he was looking to enroll a child, asking questions and observing the environment. Nothing seemed out of place at the time. It appeared like a normal visit, but according to reports, that visit may have been part of something much more sinister. Days later, tragedy struck. 4 young children lost their lives in an incident that has shaken the community and raised serious concerns about safety and trust. Christopher again posed as a parent and entered the nursery. He attacked children with a knife, killing 4 of them, ranging in age from 15 months to 2.5 years old. The attack sparked outrage in the great African Lakes nation, with an angry crowd attempting to lynch him before his arrest. The nursery school he targeted was for malnourished and vulnerable children aged between 3 months and 3 years old. A medical assessment has confirmed that Christopher is mentally fit to stand trial, meaning he knew exactly what he was doing when he did it. Even Uganda's army chief Muhoozi Kainerugaba, the son of President Yoweri Museveni, said, "We shall push for the death sentence for this criminal because what he has done has outraged the community, and it is beyond belief." Reports are also saying that Christopher claims he did this as part of a money ritual to get rich quick. It is said that Christopher has dual citizenship, that he's a citizen of the USA and Uganda. The case is being heard at the High Court of Uganda, and there has been no bail application at this time. This case has left a lot of questions, like how could someone gain trust so easily and enter a place where children are being cared for? It's a very sad and devastating case for the parents of these children in Uganda.